It's Derek here with ICharley. And today we are doing a new segment on the ICharley show called Catch That Psycho. So let's meet the man who thinks he's a witch, the psycho version of Charlie. Let's observe it in its natural habitat.
Oh, I know. She's so cute. Her name's Ruby.
It craves Fiji water. Look at that dance. That dance. Apparently it has stepped in something. It seems to be an army man. Oh God! He's dead now. Oh God, the Fiji water is down. Oh, he's drawing on himself. Hello, we're back from the incident of Catch That Psycho. We just got back from the emergency room and we are all better now, I hope. Oh God, I'm scared. Are you okay? Oh God, we're back now! That could have broken one of the camera lens. Oh, that'd be bad for you. I'm scared! Hello guys, fellow YouTubers and followers. I just want to let you all know, this is a very serious matter. No one was harmed in this making of this video. Derek is unharmed, being treated at the urgent care. No dog abuse was in this video. As you saw, my dog Harvey, I was holding him. He was not abused. No chair abuse was in this video at all. I just want to let you all know that that table, that bedside table that I tipped over, is okay. Nothing much was harmed besides a lamp being broken and my microphone being a bit smashed. But besides that, there's no living abuse in this making of Catch That Psycho. So, I just wanted to let you all know that that costume was real. All of these episodes are real of Catch That Psycho. I just want to let you all know this is a disease. This is a very serious matter. This is not a laughing matter. It's a very scary psychos that they can do to you. Thank you for watching this. I hope that you will find the next segment of ICharley more satisfying than this weird freaking segment. Thank you. Sorry if you see that our studio is a piece of crap. We need to clean up. And I will always love you, Fiji. No, just hey guys, we are doing another segment, new segment called Cooking Crap. As you can see, one bowl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 foods. There's a combination. That's Derek. Of all of the foods. We'll see what they taste like. That's why it's called Cooking Crap. Now presenting Charlie. He is forced to cook with materials that are considered crappy. You will begin in 3, 2, 1. Go. He's starting to eat Miss Butterworth syrup.
So we put a little Miss Butterworth in.
Derek,
you're eating this too. You're eating this too.
Easy cheese. This was meant for my dog, but
I'm scared. I don't want to eat this. It looks like spaghetti and hoisin.
you are. You're just as important as on this show as you are, or as I am. Or,
That makes sense. Oh,
Some,
now we're adding some turd to it.
yeah, turd. Simply 5. Who wants Simply 5? It's like Hershey syrup.
Now we're adding some cheese to it. Oh, yep. That's
Seriously, Mom?
all. That's all we're
Dang
gonna
it.
add.
Well, whatever.
Yep, we're gonna get out a knife. Yep. Just, oh no,
Oh.
fork. Oh, okay. There we go.
I'm just
Yeah,
gonna.
that works too.
I don't want much in here
Okay.
anyway, so
Okay. Okay.
just suck it in.
We'll be right. All right, we are back. So,
I know that's how I feel right
yeah,
now.
ignore that over there.
Cookie
that's
Crisp,
just
my
raw.
favorite cereal. I'm going to hate it now.
Look at that wolf. He's so happy. He's like, I just murdered 10 kids and ate their organs.
Oh, God.
Again, no kids were harmed in the making of this video.
Well, I mean,
A little bit.
a little bit. Maybe just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Oh God, I hate pistachios.
Pistachio. Wait,
Derek,
you
can
say-
you put that
did
in?
you just
because
say-
I hate them so much.
Did you just say you hated pistachios?
I hate pistachios.
Dive!
You die. Oh,
Ooh, those
frick.
cookies are nice.
No. No, no. Dude.
I love that.
Okay, movie theater popcorn.
Mmm.
Oh, and now comes the nasty part. Baby spinach. Again, no one wants to hear about your diet. Just eat your salad and be sad.
I think I'm out of throw up.
I have to add more of this because just to make it.
Just drown out the flavor with syrup. It will work. We just need 10
It's a
more of those
gourmet. Mwah.
for the cooking. So we are back.
We're ready for the cooking.
We have to clean up the counter of all the throw up. That was
No, we right, yeah. You got it all over the place, man. All right, set timer for 1, and we will speed it up for you guys.
The microwave is being opened. What monstrous?
Oh, dude, that's nasty, dude. We'll grab 2 forks. We'll grab 2 forks.
Somebody help me!
You signed up for this show.
I want a higher pay.
Minimum wage is all you get.
Aww. I just have my Cabela socks. Aww.
Stop videoing porn. This is a
What the heck?
10-year-old or older channel. Okay, we're gonna go eat at our beautiful dining room. That's a.
I think I'm gonna get. Alright, here we go. The first bite. Keep blowing. It will help. It will help.
I'm going. Take one more close up of this monstrosity.
We got the organs there.
Whatever in the hell that
The
word
salad there.
means. You gotta
The
have
other
greens.
organs there. The head right there. The blood juices right there. And blood juices all around.
Derek, don't laugh at me because you are eating this too.
Aww.
Stop videoing. You know what?
I
I
was
will say
just-
it on camera.
Aww. Alright.
Oh, okay.
I know. Okay.
I gotta get my
greens.
greens. I gotta get my greens, honey. It's just I'm on a diet, and like no one wants to hear about your diet. Eat your salad and shut up, and be sad. Sorry, I just have to. You guys, yeah.
Good luck.
It's hot. I don't think I can eat it. No, I just think I'll just. put
If you
this-
die of food poisoning, our insurance will cover it.
if you die of food poisoning, I will go.
You paid our insurance bill, correct? Well, we're all screwed.
Um,
Alright, here we go. How does it smell?
like crab on a stick.
Well, it is called,
It's called crab on a bowl.
It's called cooking crap. Oh God. How do you feel?
Oh.
Do you feel dizzy? Nauseous?
Oh.
Oh God.
We
Side
have to
effects.
swallow. One bite. Okay, I can't eat the rest. I can't swallow the rest. Oh, God. Oh, no, not my stress ball. Oh, my stress ball isn't there. It's your turn. It's your turn. It's your turn. It's your turn. Turn the camera off. Next turn. I swallowed some of it. He has to swallow at least some of it.
Cross
And
my
then
heart.
Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. He's praying. Somebody texted me, but I don't care. You have to swallow some. I swallowed half of it.
How about I eat the cookie?
No, you have to grab a full bite.
I
Do
hate
that.
Oh God, it's stuck in my finger!
You have to eat a lot. Oh, come on, dude. My table? No, my table is a piece of crap. No. You have to grab more. You have to swallow at least half of it.
Aha!
Swallow half.
It's really hot. I feel like it's gonna burn my mouth.
I had to deal with it.
Is it okay if I throw up in this napkin?
Yes. You don't have to swallow it all.
Dang it.
As long as you swallow something. Swallow some of it.
Oh, hot. Oh
Swallow-
God!
You don't have to eat it all.
Oh God.
Okay. No.
I'm not swallowing that.
You can spit it out. In the sink. There's a sink right there.
No, in the trash can.
Did you swallow some of it?
Yes.
Okay. And for our ending video, we're going to be playing what Derek's already,
My head's already up. Why is my head already up?
it's kind of scary. Rock'em Shock'em, because it's freaking easy and we don't have much time.
Punch with the
Yeah.
freaking wig.
Okay. Oh, dude. Show the first. No, I'm just joking. He got a cool watch. I don't know. I just like those kind of watches. Okay.
I'm over. Oh, you stuck on this. Oh, come on. Come on, get your hands together.
Oh, crap.
Oh, come on, get your hands together. Die. My head's up and I don't care. I like tacos.
Oh, body slam. Oh, no. We broke it. Hi, Harvey.
I'm gonna win.
Hi, Harvey.
I'm gonna win. Hey, look, your hands up. I won. Yes. Look, your hands
like
up.
3 times.
This is not like on that couch.
All right, this is my new dog, Harvey. Just so you know, we are ending right here.
I'm gonna try to
Thanks,
fix
guys.
the wrestling match.
Thanks, guys. Please subscribe, like, and subscribe for a cupcake. Okay, Mr. Beast's thing is a cookie, but we're doing cupcakes. Please, we will have a Parenting 101 t-shirt and hashtag psycho. Catch that psycho. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.